Guangdong Fushan Glass Machinery Company Limited. The forced convection tempering line is Guangdong Fushan Glass Machinery Company Limited crystallization of superior professional technology with years of industry and foreign technique experience, meeting the demands of glass deep processing enterprises in the processing of high-quality glass and the energy-saving Noe glass. Realize the fast, high-efficiency, super stability, and reliability of high-level glass and low glass processing. Adhering to Guangdong Fushan Glass Machinery Company Limited constant pursuit of the highest realm of tempered glass quality. The heating section adopts the bottom with matrix radiation heating and the top with forced convection heating combined structure to ensure the glass going into the furnace in keeping cool temperature in balanced condition. The high-performance convection high-temperature fan is the driving power of forced convection heating. It's developed by a combination of numbers of fan experts' experience and German technology, provided a strong guarantee for the forced convection system. With Fushan-style forced convection tempering line technology, it increased the tempered glass quality greatly. Meanwhile, the unit energy consumption decreased 15% to 20%, but increased 20% to 30% efficiency. Such forced convection technology obtained the Germany patent. The glass after balanced heating completed, going through mature and stable cooling system to completing glass tempering process. The glass quality will achieve the overall flatness less than 1.5 in 1000, partial flatness less than 0.33 in 1000. The forced convection tempering line used separate style structure from the structure and technology, integrated matrix radiation heating and forced convection heating combined structure by overall temperature control and separated zone temperature control, better and more convenient to control the temperature inside the furnace, improved the tempered glass quality. Meanwhile, the modular structure makes the unit can be split to be loaded into the normal size container, greatly reducing transportation costs. Inside furnace, it adopts high-temperature resistant steel plate covering the high-quality thermal insulation material, ensuring the good insulation properties does not produce the drugs in long-term usage. The ceramic runner adopted timing belt structure transmission. The timing belt structure is simple and easy disassemble and maintenance. Meanwhile, it's ensuring the glass convey in accurate location and synchronization, preventing the glass scratches. The structure of quenching consisted of two types. One is adopting passing type and the other is hole type. Different ways will be used subject to customers' different requirements to improve production efficiency and satisfy customers' different requirements in maximum rationalization. High-intelligence computer control system, improving the system dynamic precise temperature control and reliability. Reporting hidden peril and fault of equipment more accurately. Replay recorded many parameters and temperature curve, assuring the tempered glass quality. The double-chamber convection furnace provided a kind of high-efficiency, high-quality solution based on glass heating characteristics. It's suitable for all various glass, such as colorless glass, embossed glass, Loe glass, and Sonar super clear glass. Completely meet the requirements of architectural, furniture, home appliance, and Sonar glass application. The first heating section of double-chamber convection furnace is low-temperature heating with Fushan-style forced convection. The second section used traditional high-temperature radiation heating technology by the combination of high and low-temperature heating and cater to glass heating characteristics, greatly reduced stress spots due to high-temperature difference. At the same time, effectively shorten the heating time and improve productivity more than 50%. Bent glass tempering furnace with a reasonable and simple bent forming structure, easy operation and accurate forming, stable product quality. Is suitable for furniture, home appliance, shower room, curtain wall, and automobile side window glass tempering demands. The glass bending furnace has two types, cross bending and longitudinal bending, according to customer different requirements, different size and radius. We provide the most appropriate and reasonable solution. Guangdong Fushan Glass Machinery Company Limited is engaged in glass machinery equipment design and production for more than 20 years. Has a strong technical force and production capacity. The product contains cold processing and hot processing models, able to provide a one-stop solution for glass processing enterprises. Our products are popular in domestic and foreign market. The company has office in every province in China and has overseas agents worldwide, providing a strong guarantee for our products and services. Keep improving. World viewing is Fushaners' impetus and object to struggle continuously for improvements. In the future, Fushan will co-create new brilliant production sincerely with friends worldwide in glass processing machinery industry.